Oh, it's already starting. Is that starting to flood another map? The last video blew up. Oh no. This one actually kind of makes sense. More kinda. It's at 9. We gotta find a boat. There's a boat. Oh. My last video didn't have any sound because my microphone wasn't on. That's why my last video, the fork and sauce video, didn't have any sound. Queso? I think I'm queso. No. We might have to chop down a bone and just please float. Yes, it floats. I think I can. Yeah, it works as a boat. Oh no, it's choking me again. Oh no. Everything is underwater. Also, thank you guys for getting me to 13 subscribers. This is an accomplishment. I thought I wouldn't even get 5 subscribers. Even if I do somehow get really popular, like subscribers, I don't. I'm sorry, but I don't. It's still an honor. That 1 subscriber is still an honor to me. It's an honor. Because you decided to help me grow my channel. Every single like and subscribe helps my channel a ton. So, please can you like and subscribe? You don't have to. You can do it if you don't. Now, down. 11. Oh, everything. I can see this. I'm starting to see things. Oh, I can see all the bugs floating. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. I can finally drive this. Pretend someone's on this. Yee. Oh. Feels like I'm in an elevator. I really hope that's not copyrighted. I think it is. I don't think it is. Wait, can I get rid of all the water? Oh, oh my gosh, it's a floating palm tree. Oh, where does the floating palm tree? Oh, maybe we can shoot it out there. Plant. Yeah, don't worry. Delete. Oh! Keep deleting it? Oh. let's try of houses, and then just seeing what would happen. Is it locked? Yeah, I opened up. Boom. What is that? Okay, good thing I can have. Oh, I didn't. Why are words said as words? Like, that's weird. Why am I talking? I meant to say, why am I talking like this? Like, it's just, why am I talking? Night. We'll just empty crap out of the house. And see it float. Oh, now it's all broken. Do I own this island, or did I just take the island since it's abandoned? I don't know. Actually, I'll go over there. Whoa! That's so sturdy. Ah, it's so sturdy! It's right when I said that, it broke. This table, I feel like, would be sturdy. Oh, of course it broke! Because I didn't actually need to do that. We're just gonna throw these, and then we're gonna grab these, and we're gonna throw these, and grab a table. I have to be quieter since someone went to bed. And get up. Ooh. I have to be quieter. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. See, quiet. Oh, look at it, it's open. What is this? Oh, it's an explosive. No, it's not. Oh my god, it's gone. So, we're trying to empty out stuff out of these houses. Maybe we can use the deck. This is the actually lab. That's what I'll call it. Does it float? I'm guessing it doesn't. Yep, it doesn't. Where does that stuff go? Surprise, nothing. Not that much. Anything actually floated. Oh, you have to like. There. And boom, it'll float. So just gotta boom, boom, boom. Why is there a table here? I'll help you down. That's a sturdy table. What's in here? Nothing. You say that. What? Wait. I can't move it? How sturdy is this thing? Ooh. Let's try getting. Nope, that doesn't work. This. Use it done. Ooh. Oh. You don't get any power. How is it connected? Oh. I don't know. Not connected. That should be more map, so I can subscribe by the way. But what is it? North Turret. I think. Maybe it says, oh, North Turret, not turret. Oh. Can I knock that down? Oh, no. What? There it goes. Oh, the stupid ground. Oh my gosh, what is that? That is kind of great. living in here, and then just this random weird house just gets filtered. Also, this is not a house. This is. I don't know. Don't ask me. Also, I asked. So I don't know. I literally. Oh, is this still connected somehow? Bong. No. Oh my god. A tornado. Tornado. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. We'll just start the flood. F8. Why is there so much? Help the leg. Oh my god. Food again. 11. Oh, that's so. Oh my god. Go up. What? Why is it not starting? Oh, did I do all that stuff for nothing? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Nah. We'll just rip off the walls. Okay, we could just delete some walls. Maybe. And just let stuff do things. Oh, no, it's starting. I'm not ready. Oh, what did that? Oh, we want it to fast, real fast. So, nope. We gotta go all the way back here. Do that. That gets deleted. That gets deleted. That. Ooh. This can fall into the flood water. Boom. Problem solved. I don't know what problem I solved, but I solved some problem. Just move you a little. Nope. Delete some stuff. Oh. We don't need a ladder. Oh. Is that on fire? No, it's not. I think it's on fire. Oh, you don't want it to be on fire? Oh, I'm gonna make it on fire anyway. Oh, okay, forward fire. I caught capture. Now we can look at it. On here. Open gallery. I have so much crap on this. So we just gotta wait. Doesn't be strong. All the way to 32. And parrots. Parrot. No, parrot. Parrot, no. Oh wait, he's on spot. Oh. Things. Those things, I think. The thing that was lit on fire. Those things. You know what I'm talking about? That's not the right thing I'm talking about. The thing that does the thing that does the thing. The thing that I love. Lit on fire. There. I finally got the word right. I could just. Sugar cane press. Sugar cane press. I want to get on this tree since it's the highest tree. Yes, got it. Whee. Let's see everything go. Come on, it's way at the bottom. It'll be coming up or coming down. Bonk. It's not even considered a boat. Yay! That boat has. It's not? Though. Yeah. Probably. What? What? It didn't take any damage from this. Cool. I'm all like, cool. What does that say? I don't know what it means. What is this? Oh, there it is. Resurfaced. Or unsurfaced? Or just insurfaced? On the ground? I don't know. I don't my brain hurts from this. Oh, why am I floating? Why am I floating? Why am I floating? Why is it letting me float? Oh, stop. Nothing changed. No, nothing changed. Maybe next map I should do is Boostrum. Boostrum? I think I said it right. Tell me in the comments if I should.